Hey everyone, I'm Manero here, and in this video, I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of September are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing, and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero Challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check out all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you're not familiar with my challenge of the month, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media by using the hashtags Manero Brushes and Manero Challenge, and also make sure to tag me so I and others can see it. Feel free to include this image in your post as well. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for September is Manero Turtle in your style. The idea is for you to draw your own version of my original character named Turtle and give it your own spin with your personal style. Think of it as one of those draw this in your style challenges, but instead of copying the pose I'm drawing here, you can give your version any pose or action you like. Turtle is a character that I created to help me promote my comic panels, balloons and sound effects toolkit for Procreate, and explain how the set works. I ended up enjoying drawing the character so much. She doesn't really have a lot of backstory or context, but I like to imagine that she loves drawing comics herself. I often draw her holding a huge pencil, or posing like a superhero. For this illustration, I decided to draw her riding a huge pencil and holding a lasso and a cowboy hat. You can think on any scenario you imagine my turtle and draw her doing all sorts of crazy and fun things. For this month's challenge, I have included the original color palette I always use to color Turtle. Feel free to add more colors to the palette if you want to add other elements to your illustration. Speaking of colors, here's a fun fact. When I was deciding how to color my turtle character for the first time, I chose to use the same colors from the superhero Invincible by Robert Kirkman, Cory Walker and Ryan Otley. I actually drew the cover for my comic toolkit as a homage to the cover of the first issue of Invincible. Invincible is one of my favorite comics ever. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page where you will find the challenge of the month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.